Check 1, 2. Sounds good. We live. We're going to do a sound check. All right, fellas. Anytime you're ready.
We're going to try and get your vocal back here.
Okay. One thing I can say about the people of the world today.
Good. I do that again?
See, we're a good thing. They want to take it away.
Y'all good?
You don't have to.
I believe in you, girl. You believe in me too. Even your best friend come around. Making someone trying to put you down. I believe in you. All right.
Y'all ready?
Yeah.
We're going TJ.
Yeah. Just because I raise a little sin, I might be tired lately, trying to understand. How you doing? Doesn't mean, give me something, let me feel that, that you've done something wrong. And just because when we have a little fight, I get mad and walk out the door, stay on all night. Doesn't mean that I won't be coming home. And just because sometimes you want to make love, I tell you not tonight, try to understand. I got a headache tonight. I work hard all day, darling, doing the best that I can. Well, but if you wanna go, it's up to you. I can tell you right now, my whole world's gonna be missing you. I beg you, please, 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 please stay. Honey, don't you hear me? What you want me to say? Whoa, love you. Oh, I love you, 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 love you. What will you do? made you want to stay. Yeah, there you go. Yeah. Oh, you feel it? Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
How many more? After we come back in, how many more of them are we doing before?
2.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, y'all, we're going to sign off for this.